Hello everyone. Today we will do sums on inventory management, that is economic order quantity. Economic order quantity is nothing but that level of order quantity where your total cost is minimum. The main problem with inventory management is how much of stock to keep and how much to order, what quantity to order. So to solve that problem, the EOQ method was evolved, which tells you how much order you should place every time. And once that inventory is over, you can place another order. So it tells you the economic quantity that you need to maintain with you so that your cost is minimum. So while calculating EOQ, the formula used is square root of 2AO divided by C, in which A is the annual demand, O is the ordering cost, and C is the carrying cost. Ordering cost is the cost that you incur while placing an order. For example, printing of bills, purchase manager's salary, giving a call, follow up. So these are all ordering costs, whereas carrying cost is the cost that you incur for carrying the inventory. After the inventory comes to your warehouse, the maintenance, watchman salary, warehouse rent, chemicals that you use to maintain that inventory, all those are carrying cost. So economic order quantity says it is that level of quantity where your ordering cost and carrying cost meet or intersect. So if you look at the graph below, where they're intersecting, that quantity becomes the economic order quantity. Otherwise, if you go on ordering more and more quantity, your ordering cost will come down because number of orders will be less. You're ordering a huge quantity, but the carrying cost will increase. If you order less, then your ordering cost will be high, but your carrying cost will reduce because you're carrying less number of quantity. So EOQ tells you how much quantity you should order. Now that quantity, using that quantity, we find the total cost and we say that total cost will be minimum. So the formula for total cost is total purchase cost, whatever you are purchasing, plus total ordering cost and total carrying cost. When you add all the three, you'll get the total cost. So to find the total ordering cost, the formula is demand divided by quantity into ordering cost. If I want 1000 units and I'm ordering 100 units every time, so 1000 divided by 100 is nothing but 10 orders into ordering cost per order will give me the ordering cost. So demand upon quantity will give you the number of orders into per order ordering cost will give you the total ordering cost. In case of carrying cost, we take the average inventory because we don't maintain the same inventory every day. If I have ordered 1000 units today, I will use 50. Tomorrow it will be 950. Day after I may use 100 units, then it will be 850. So that way we take average inventory. On an average, how much inventory we are carrying. So Q by 2, that is quantity order divided by 2, will give you the average inventory into carrying cost per unit you will be having. So that will give you the total carrying cost. These two, once you calculate and add, you will get the ordering and the carrying cost. To that, we'll add the purchase cost to get the total cost. So let us start with the first problem. A company's books of accounts reveal the following information. So there is staff salary of purchase department. Now these are the list of cost. What we have to do is we have to first segregate them into ordering and carrying cost. The company has an average inventory of rupees 60 lakh and has placed 3,400 orders in a year. Calculate the cost per order. So we need to know the ordering cost per order and inventory carrying cost as percentage. What would be the EOQ if the actual demand is 12,000 units and unit price is rupees 60 per unit? So we have to also find the economic order quantity. So first we will segregate all our cost into ordering cost and carrying cost. So from this, the very first thing, staff salary of purchase department. Purchase department places the orders. So I have taken this into the ordering cost. Warehouse person salary. Warehouse is the godown where you keep the goods and services. So that godown carries them. So I'm taking it in the carrying cost because warehouse, watchman salary or person salary will lead to carrying cost. Cost of security of warehouse is also taken in carrying cost. Traveling and purchase expenses, this is taken in ordering cost because again it's related to purchase and you order when you're purchasing. So that is ordering cost. Taxes and insurance are related to carrying cost because the godown in which you have kept the goods, you insure them and you pay taxes on the goods that you have. So those both will come under carrying cost. Interest on inventory value. This is the interest that you will lose if you maintain huge amount of inventory because you're investing money in buying the raw material. So you're not able to earn the interest, or you can say you have borrowed money from somewhere and you're paying interest. So that is carrying cost because you want to carry huge amount of inventory. You're paying interest. Cost of bill payment. This again goes under ordering cost because when you order, you pay the bill. Cost of material handling in store is carrying cost. You're handling the raw material. Obsolescence is again carrying cost. Cost of inward inception is again ordering cost. Inward inception means when the goods are coming in and they come in when you purchase. So it's again related to purchase. So if you see here, four things I told you are of ordering cost: salary for purchase, travel and purchase, cost of bill, and cost of inventory. All the four I have added, I've got the total ordering cost. Whereas rest all the things were related to carrying cost. Taxes and insurance was 1% of total goods ordered, rupees 60 lakh. So 60,000. Interest on that 60 lakh that we placed an order, 20% interest. We might have taken a loan of 60 lakhs, so we are paying 20% interest on that. Once you total, you will get the total ordering and the total carrying cost. They have asked us to find the cost per order. Total ordering cost is 4,08,000 and the number of orders they have given here has placed 3,400 orders. So once we do the total cost divided by number of orders, we get per order ordering cost, which is 120 rupees. Carrying cost is nothing but total carrying cost divided by total inventory into 100. 17 lakh 85,000 is the carrying cost for 60 lakh rupees worth inventory. So if you are buying something worth 60 lakh, you are spending 17 lakh 85,000 to carry it or to maintain it. So once you divide into 100, you get 29.75% as carrying cost. This was a second question. Find the carrying cost in percentage. So now we have ordering cost 120. Carrying cost is in percentage. We want it in rupees. So what we do is we'll see what is the cost per unit. Here you can see unit price is rupees 60 per unit. So 60 rupees into 29.75% is the carrying cost. So 17 rupees 85 paise per unit you are spending on carrying cost. And annual quantity required is 12,000 units. So we'll find the EOQ by putting it in the formula. 2AO upon C, 2 into annual requirement 1200 units into ordering cost 120 divided by carrying cost 17.85. First you multiply, divide, whatever answer you get, find the square root of that. So your EOQ will be 401.67 units or approximately 402 units. So this is how we found the economic order quantity. So all the three questions are solved. Find the cost per order, find the carrying cost in percentage, and find the economic order quantity. So the company should order 402 units every time. Once those units are over, you have used them in production, again place an order of 402 units. This will lead to minimum total cost for ordering and carrying your inventory. Let's go to another problem, which is a little different from the previous one. Auto industry orders spark plugs at the rate of rupees 25 per piece. So we'll just write down here cost per piece of spark plugs is equal to 25. The annual consumption is 18,000 units. If the ordering cost is rupees 250 per order, so annual consumption means A, that is annual consumption. How many spark plugs we need, they've given here, which is 18,000 spark plugs. They've given ordering cost, which is O, which is 250 rupees per order. Okay. These are all rupees. Cost also is in rupees, whereas the spark plug requirement is in units. Okay, let's see what else is given. Carrying cost is 25% per annum. So we'll write here carrying cost is equal to 25% per annum. So if I want it in rupees, I have to do cost per unit into carrying cost percentage. So we will find it. Cost per unit is 25 rupees, which is given here above. Cost per piece of spark plug into, we'll do 25% of 25 rupees to find the carrying cost. So done it here, it is 6.25 rupees. So rupees 6.25 is our carrying cost. Okay, let's see what they're told to find. First, what would be the EOQ if the supplier offers a discount? What would be the EOQ? Question mark, first question. If the supplier offers a discount of 5% for order quantity of 3,000 units, do you accept the discount order? First, we'll find the EOQ. As told, the formula for EOQ is equal to square root of 2AO upon C. So I'll just show you here itself. It is solved. You can see EOQ is equals to square root of 2AO upon C. So square root of 2 into 100 into 250. I'll just zoom it for you. 2 into 18,000 is the annual quantity into 250 is the ordering cost divided by carrying cost 6.25. So you get a EOQ of 1200 units. Now we will find the total cost if we order 1200 units. So I'll write here total cost is equal to purchase cost plus ordering cost plus carrying cost. So total cost is equal to purchase cost is nothing but number of units purchased into price per unit plus ordering cost is number of orders we want. So Q divided by annual quantity divided by Q, which is here. Demand divided by Q, they say. D divided by Q into ordering cost plus average inventory Q divided by 2 into carrying cost. This will give us the carrying cost. So total cost is equal to number of units purchased. So we'll see how much is the annual requirement. 18,000 units is the annual requirement. So we'll purchase 18,000 units into rupees 25 per unit. This will give us our unit cost number, purchase cost plus we'll see the ordering cost. Demand is 18,000. Quantity is nothing but your EOQ quantity, which is 1200 into ordering cost per order, which is 250 rupees per order. Once we solve this, we'll get our ordering cost plus carrying cost. Annual quantity that you will order is 1200 divided by 2 into carrying cost per unit you found out is 6.25 rupees. So the same is done here. You can see 18,000 into 25 plus 18,000 divided by 1200 into 250. Once we solve it, we get a total cost of 4,57,500. And you can see here the ordering cost and carrying cost are same. Means if we put it in the graph, they will intersect. And when they intersect, that is the optimum order quantity. So purchase cost 4,50,000 plus ordering cost 3,750, carrying cost 3,750, total 4,57,500. If you order through EOQ, this is the cost. Now we'll see the second part of the question. They have said if the supplier offers a discount of 5% for order quantity of 3,000 units. So according to EOQ, we have to order 1,200 units. But the supplier is telling, I'll give you 5% discount if you order 3,000 units. So will you accept the discount offer, they have asked. So let us solve for this. Quantity now, we are not taking EOQ 1200, but we have to take those 3000 units. If we order, we'll get a discount of 5%. So what will happen to our selling price? 25 rupees minus 5% discount. You will get the selling price, new selling price as 23 rupees 75 paise. Ordering cost will remain as it is 250. Annual consumption is 18,000 units, but we'll place an order of 3,000 every time. Carrying cost will change because it is 25% of unit cost. Unit cost has decreased. So 25% of 23.75, 5.93 will be the carrying cost. So now we'll find the total cost. Purchase cost plus ordering cost plus carrying cost, 18,000 into, instead of 25 rupees, now we take 23.75 because we get a discount of 5% plus ordering cost. 18,000 is the demand and we are ordering 3,000 units every time into 250 per order cost plus 3,000 divided by 2 average inventory into 5.93 was the new carrying cost. When we solve it, we get 4,37,895. So if you see, without discount, our cost was 4,57,500. With discount, it is 4,37,895. So the conclusion is the discount offer should be accepted as the total cost is less compared to total cost of EOQ. So EOQ always reduces your cost, but if you're getting discount and because of which your cost is still coming down, it's better to accept the discount offer. Now let's go to the next sum. We'll go to the sum which is similar like we did above first so that you get clear with those type of sums. You can see here, a company uses 1200 units per month of an electronic component, each costing rupees 2. Placing each order will cost 50 rupees and carrying cost is 6% of the average inventory. Find economic order quantity, and if the company gets 5% discount for placing a single order, should the company accept the discount offer? So first we'll find EOQ. So your annual requirement, the company requires 1200 units per month. So 1200 into 12 months. So your annual requirement is 14,400 units. They have given you the cost per unit, price is rupees 2. Ordering cost is 50 rupees and carrying cost is 6%. So 6% of unit price, 6% of 2 rupees, which is 0.12. So we'll solve this now here further. So EOQ will be square root of 2AO upon C. So I'll just write square root here. The sign I'll have to search for it. We need square root sign. So we have square root of 2AO upon C. If I don't find it, I'll just write there square root. Okay, let's just write it as square root of 2AO upon C. Fine, let's not waste time. Square root of 2AO divided by C. So EOQ will be square root of 2 into annual order quantity, which was 14,400 into ordering cost, which was 50 rupees. divided by C, carrying cost, which is 0.12. So we will solve it and see what would be the answer. In the calculator, we need a square root sign. Square root of 2 into 14,400 into 50, which is the ordering cost. Okay, we'll put all this in bracket first. Divided by C with 0.12. So you get this much, and we need to find the square root of this. 3,464 units you get EOQ. 3,464 units. Now total cost is equals to 3,464. Sorry, first we'll do purchase cost plus ordering cost plus carrying cost. Purchase cost, annual requirement, we'll see how much it is. 14,400 units into price per unit is 2 rupees, which is given there. Price is 2 rupees. We'll get the purchase cost plus ordering cost is quantity. Total demand 14,400 divided by 3,464. 3,464 is the quantity into ordering cost per order is 50 rupees. So this is our purchase cost. I'll put it in the bracket. This is our ordering cost plus carrying cost quantity that we'll order 3,464. You can also round it off and take 3,465 because the answer was in decimals. Divided by 2 because we need average inventory into carrying cost is 0.12. So once you solve all these three and add, you will get the total cost at EOQ. EOQ order quantity, if you do, just find it and see how much you get. Let's move further for the solution. Then they have asked if the company gets 5% discount for placing a single order, should they accept? Single order means full 14,400 once only you're going to order. So discount will solve now. Price is 2 rupees minus discount of 5% on 2 rupees. So 2 into 5% we'll have to do. So on 2 rupees, 5% means it will be 0.1. 2 into 0.05. So that means it will be 1.9 price. 2 minus 0.1 is 1.9 is the new price. Then your carrying cost will change because carrying cost is on the price. So on 1.9, we have to see carrying cost is how much percentage? 6%. So on 1.9, I'll find 6%. Okay, so 1.9 into 6% will do into 0.06. 0.114 you get as carrying cost. 0.114. Earlier it was 0.12. Now we'll do the total cost. 14,400 units into price now after discount, sorry, after discount, the new price that we found out was 1.9. This is your purchase cost plus carrying cost. Sorry, first we'll do ordering cost. Demand 14,400 divided by quantity. You're placing a single order, so full 14,400 in one order. That means only one single order you will place into 50 rupees. So 14,400 divided by 14,400 is one order into 50 is 50 rupees will be your ordering cost. Carrying cost, you're ordering 14,400 only one order divided by 2. This will be your average inventory into carrying cost 0.114. Once you solve all these three equations and add, you will get total cost with discount. So you need to compare both total cost with EOQ and total cost with discount and check which one is feasible. 14,400 into 1.9 if I do. $14,400 into 1.9, 27,360 plus 50, 14,400 divided by 14,400 into 1 is 50 plus 14,400 divided by 2, 14,400 divided by 2, put something wrong. 7,200 into carrying cost is 0.114. You will get 820.8. When you add all these three, you will get the total cost. So you find the total cost. For EOQ also solve that equation and find it. Whichever is minimum, that would be the actual that you will accept. So these were the sums on how to solve it if discount is given. Okay, I hope you understood and the video helps you in solving EOQ sums. I'll be doing few more sums in the next video. I'll upload it soon. Thank you very much.